everybody, welcome back to my Walgreens haul. Walgreens is kind of slow this week, which is okay. There is some pretty good deals that you guys want to check out. One deal that I'm not including technically in my haul because not everybody can do this deal. This is a regional deal, but right now you can get Domino's, you can get Taco Bell, Burlington Coat Factory, and Foot Locker gift cards. So every 2 gift cards you get a Walgreens gift card. So I always buy the minimum that I can. I bought 2 $15 Taco Bell gift cards. My husband's and my anniversary is in October, so we are, I got these for him, but he'll probably get them earlier than that. So I paid $30 for these, and then I got a $10 Walgreens gift card. So you'll get $40 worth of stuff for $10. This is regional, so make sure you check your ad to see if you guys can do it. I don't know if you can still do it even if it's not in the ad. I don't know, but I do just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you wanted to do that deal. So I got the Tide, why can't I speak all of a sudden? The Tide laundry detergent. Now, these were $4.99. $4.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. There is a $2 off digital coupon and a $2 off digital coupon. I also do have a digital video for you guys with different deals, so you definitely want to check that out. I usually post that right after I post this one. So after the $2 off digital coupons, you would pay $5.98 for both of these, but then you'll get a $3 register reward for buying 2 of them. So you guys would end up getting these for $2.98 or $1.49. So I think that's a pretty good deal if you guys need some laundry detergent. And you can submit your receipt to the P&G site. You guys, you get 50 points for every item that you buy, up to 5 items. So if you guys are interested, definitely go ahead. I saw when I went to the site the other day, they had no rewards available. I don't know if just they only have so many that they come and go. So if you guys are, you know, saving up for gift cards and you do see something, make sure you grab it right away. Gift cards shouldn't expire, but just giving you guys a heads up because we don't know if this website will flop. I mean, it's a new website, so it's hard to say. You know, they get thousands of couponers, you know, going after that website. You know, so there's people who know how to use the system, and we definitely know how to use the system. So letting you guys know with that. So I also got the Kellogg's cereal. These were $1.99. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would get this for $1.49. You can also submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards. You guys can also submit that also to get free books. I've gotten all my books and they ship out pretty fast, so definitely do that. If you guys don't have the digital coupon, I also had a $1 off of 2 digital coupon, plus we had a $1 off of 2 inserts coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. So, and there's printables I think that you guys can print too. So definitely go ahead and do that. I am like tons of cereal, so I'm like need to cut back on that. Now this is a deal that does end in a couple hours, and I saw these were on sale for 2 for $4. So I scanned it with my Ibotta app and it popped up. So you guys would pay $4 for both of these, but then you can submit a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with Ibotta. Comes out to be just $1 a piece. So if you guys need to get some Ibotta deals, definitely go ahead and do this for $1. You can't go wrong. So yes. Now, the Renews It's deal, you guys, I don't know what it is, but every single week they advertise, buy 4, you get 2 free with a digital coupon. The digital coupon only takes 1 off, and I know multiple people have complained to Walgreens. I don't know why they can't get it straight, but if you guys do have that problem, keep continuing to complain to Walgreens because they need to get their thing checked, or they not need to have it buy 4 get 2 free. Maybe they should just say buy 6 you get $2 off or something. They need to do something like that, because this buy 4 get 2 digital coupon is for the birds. So yes, So these are 89 cents. You guys want to buy 6 of them. You want to use that buy 4, get off 2 digital coupon, but make sure you guys watch out because I only had one that came off. But it's supposed to be $3.56, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate off of 5 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.56 or 26 cents a piece. Funny thing is, I've gotten so many renews lately, it's like beyond crazy, but you know what? This is one thing I will not get rid of. I absolutely love this. I have like a dump box that I put all these in just because, you know, I love them. So, and my favorite smells are the apple cinnamon because I'm ready for fall. And then I also get the Forever Raspberry. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, this is a deal not everybody might not have. So I actually had a digital coupon for $2 off of 3 peanut butter, okay? I was not going to do this deal until I saw that they were on sale. So currently these are 2 for $5, so they're $2.50 a piece, okay? I ended up using that $2 off of 3 digital coupon that I had. I didn't do a video, I think, for this because not everybody might not have that coupon because it said it was like just for you. So just giving you guys a heads up. But I paid you guys would pay $5.50 for all 3 of these. But then you guys can submit 55-cent, 55-cent, and 55-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.85 or just $1.28 piece. I have been getting so much peanut butter lately, it's ridiculous. Graham told me to get a chunky one. I'm a smooth kind of gal, I am, but he told me to get chunky for the kids to try, so I'm getting some chunky for the kids, but I think that's a pretty good deal. My store still had the 35-cent coupons attached to the Skippy, but I didn't need this coupon because the 3 off of 2 was a lot better coupon, so definitely check that out. It's one of those only for you deals, so it might not be available for everybody. I got like my own little bag to put everything in today. So I got the Rohoto ice stuff, okay? These are $8.79. There is a 7 off of 2. I don't know if there was a digital for it, but I definitely used a 7 off of 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. This coupon is no longer available. But you want to use that coupon, and then I also had, you guys can also get $4 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would just get these for $2.58 or just $1.29. So definitely go ahead if you guys need some Rohoto, okay? Now, I don't know what deal it was, but I ended up getting the Colgate deal and I ended up doing the Crest deal. Now, one of these deals did not give me points, so make sure you guys check what deal did not give you points if you plan on doing this. So I got the Crest toothpaste. These were, there's 2 different deals. You can get the ones that are $3 where they come out to be free. So you basically get 2 of them that are $3. You use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $3, but then you guys would get a $3 register reward. I did not want to do that deal. No, 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 because this is a better deal to do it this way. So these were $3.79. You use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4.58 for both of these, but then you get 5,000 points when you buy 2. Comes out to be just a 42-cent moneymaker. So you guys will make money off of these 2. So that's the reason why I did that deal, because toothpaste to me, I'm not particular on toothpaste. So then I also got the Colgate toothpaste. Now these were $3.99. I used a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So you guys would pay $6.97, but then you get 5,000 points when you buy 3 of them. Comes out to be just $1.97 or 66 cents a piece. Not the greatest deal, but you know, there's some people who, you know, think $1 is a good deal on toothpaste, but you know, as you guys get better at couponing, you know we shouldn't pay for toothpaste. But I do these deals to show everybody deals because everybody's different. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. But one of these deals did not give me points. So they ended up giving me points at the store. So wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. Now, I also got 2 of the Revlon Kiss. These were $4.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $7.48 for the both of these, but then you guys would get a $5 register reward, making them, I lost my spot, $2.48 or $1.24. I actually really love this stuff. I actually have one in my car that I use all the time. I sometimes use it most of the time right before I'm doing my videos, but I love the Revlon Kiss. It does taint your lips a little bit if you guys are not used to that. So I also got the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. Now all the Rimmel are $4 or are 40% off. Some of you guys might have digital coupons for this. I went crazy and bought a bunch of Rimmel makeup not that long ago, so I used up all my digital coupons. But you want to use some of those coupons if you have it. But there is also a 4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So $3.59, you want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. These come out to be just $3.18 or $1.59. So pretty excited. I got 2 of those. And yes, that was my haul, you guys. I didn't go like super crazy, but I'm happy with what I got. My husband's gonna be happy because I got him Taco Bell. I used to eat Taco Bell all the time when I was like in my 20s, and now I can't stand it. If you guys know what Taco John's is, I'm a Taco John's kind of gal. So yes, so my total came to $37.22. I ended up getting $5.65 back with Ibotta. Now one thing is, okay, so here's the thing. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I was supposed to get $5.65. I did screenshot my phone and I only got $4.10 back. So they only gave me credit for 2 of the Skippy peanut butters and 1 toffee fay, and I'm pissed off, so I'm gonna actually message them because this is ridiculous. I screenshot this every single time I submit my receipt because something can't go wrong. I scan the items correctly and they still can't approve it. So I will be sending a nice message to Ibotta, but I was supposed to get $5.65 with Ibotta, not $4.10. I did get $8 back with register rewards, and I got $14 worth of points. So that's including the 5,000 points that was missing. So my grand total came to $9.57. I got 25 items at just 38 cents a piece. Like I said, I'm not including the Taco Bell deal because it's not really a couponing deal. But I think for $9.57 for all the stuff that I got, I think that is a great deal. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next week for another awesome, hopefully, Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.